Hello, buddy. Oh, you don't look too well. Come over here, chap. Oh, you look really unwell, don't you?
Yeah, his eardrum had seemingly...
This one's leaking.
That one.
Okay. Do you feel like you haven't got much energy? Do you feel like your nose is a bit blocked up?
He can't hear you.
Oh, really? Yeah.
He's been battling the eardrum has been quite painful.
How long has this been going on for, do you reckon?
Well, only since yesterday at 4 o'clock.
Right.
But the cold has been around for 3 weeks.
3 weeks for
We
the
haven't-
cold.
What was he saying? Oh, his throat has been terribly sore.
These are all bacterial infections. They're only there because the body's weak, you know. So something came before the virus. Sit back on the chair, buddy. Bring your head back here. Look up in the air. He's definitely.
Oh, terribly.
I think he's had a fall about maybe a month or two ago. Even if it wasn't a big...
You know what? He did have a bump to the head
That's what I'm talking
about a month ago.
Yeah, his head's not on his spine right.
Lockie, do you remember the fall that you had at school last term? You had a big bump on your head. Yeah? You told everybody about it.
Remember that? Did you fall on your head?
I slipped
You slipped.
onto the concrete.
Ah, on the concrete. And did the concrete hit you like that or like that?
But
His head's not sitting on his spine. It's just not on. And so that would make sense. About a week later, he starts getting the cold because his immune system just plummets, and then the virus jumps on, and now he's got this bacterial infection. He'll look better immediately after we fix it. I'm going to put your head back on, alright? He's deaf as a post. I love nervous laughter. It could turn into a cry. It's alright, buddy. I won't hurt you. There you go. That was a good one, wasn't it? Just give him a minute. That'll be a big deal. Now you're red in the face.
All he wants to do is play soccer tomorrow.
Well, don't be surprised if he does. They can bounce back really fast. Lockie, do you feel a bit dizzy?
yeah,
Yeah? I want you to go for a little walk down the hall and come back again.
I took him to emergency last night at
Yeah.
4 AM when I was a bit desperate.
Yeah. Come back here.
Well, his colour looks better.
So much better. His colour's great. See how he had that kind of grey old man look around here?
Mm.
Well, that's all starting to come back already. So we're
His eyes look better.
yeah, that's what you notice first. I didn't want to say that because I didn't want to put the idea in your head, but it's good that you can see that. Can you feel that's different to before?
yeah.
Good. Alright, my old mate. I think we fixed you.
Can you hear us better?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
What do you want to play tomorrow? Footy?
Soccer.
Soccer?
First game. It wasn't looking good.
Turn this way. Oh, you heard that, did you?
What?
Did you hear me say turn this way? Good. Because you weren't hearing much before, were you?
I know.
You know.
I said to his father, "You can't hear a thing." He said, "Oh, is that what was wrong with you?"
Do you want to get his gooey ear on camera? And now see that green muck coming out? Now I'm going to open up his ear hole. Look at that. Looks like a jar of honey, Lockie. I can see your brains. All I can see is a soccer ball and being cheeky. That's all I can see. There's a lot of fluid pushing the membrane back, the eardrum back. That's why he's not hearing very well, because it doesn't vibrate properly.
Yeah.
But a couple of days of healing just his normal natural body healing now. The nerve pressure's off, and that'll all just dry up. You feel better than before?
Yeah.
Awesome. High
Say
five.
thanks, Anne.
Have a good day, mate. He'll be good. How many goals? 3?
Wow.
I can't believe you played soccer today and you kicked 3 goals. Have you been cleaning that up or anything? No. It's just dried up. So it's virtually exactly 24 hours later. You see in there, it's just dried right up. There's not so much pressure behind that eardrum now either. It's stopped hurting, Lockie? Awesome. Yeah, he's heaps better. Lockie, we're all fixed.